Welcome. In front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you how to insert an SD card into this laptop. To do it, first you'll have to remove the micro SD card from your SD card slot or SD card adapter. Then grab your laptop and on the right edge of your laptop you'll be able to spot the SD card reader. Let me focus the camera right here. So put your micro SD inside carefully and just slightly push it inside until it clicks. Okay, and then your device will read it, and if you click on this notification, click open folder to view files. Okay, it's not quite the SD card I was expecting. Here it is in the file explorer, and as you can see it reads the SD card smoothly. Now to remove it you have to slightly push it inside the SD card and it will jump right out of the slot. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.